create pixel, then click TikTok pixel, then click event builder, okay, then copy this paste code and paste it header section, okay, between the head. Paste this code in the header section of your website. Add code between the tags. TikTok pixel code can be added above, below, other tracking code, Google Analytics website. So we will go to the store, then I will click here, okay, then theme, then I will find here theme liquid or edit code, okay, then this is theme liquid, okay, and this is header. Can you see header? And maybe HTML body, that's mean header last is here, okay. So I have to paste this code between the header. This is header, so I'm pasting this code here, okay. V, okay, then save it, then I back here and I'll set next, okay. Then I will create event, okay. So I will create event from here, interior keyword you can use here. I will go to the, this is easy, okay, then I will click this event, okay, then I will select view content, okay, then to here I will go to this here, okay, then I will click a content, okay, here, okay, here is the content, sorry, this is product page, okay, then we will take this middle one, okay, then we will this product page, this is product page, not view content, product page, there is no product page, that means product page means view content, okay, okay, so we will click here the keyword, okay, then click add, okay, no. Then we will go to the advanced setting, you can enter here alias everything, but I will keep it this, okay, then I will go to the another event, okay, view content, then I will click add to cart, okay, maybe view my cart, okay, then I will click as cart, okay, then I will click here already one, add to cart, then okay, then I'll click another event, only two set already, so we'll go to the another event. Okay, then we will go to the going to the checkout. Okay, we'll go to the checkout. This is checkout page, so we'll click check instant checkout. Okay, okay, and click another one. So we already set three, we are going to set another one. We'll go to the payment page, PayPal, continue shipping, maybe payment page, right? So payment page are not showing here. It will show when we choose the payment page and fill up this form and go to the next, then payment page will show here, otherwise payment page is not showing. So this is payment page. Okay, maybe. So I am trying this complete payment. Add, add payment info. Okay, so we will create add payment. Let's check out. Okay, okay, okay. Complete payment. Complete payment. And that's it. Okay, then we will set up complete. Then we'll check the code. Okay, check the pixel. This pixel is working. Okay, this is the pixel. Okay, and I hope you understand. If you have any question, please comment below and subscribe my channel and follow our Facebook page. Okay, thank you.